Welcome to Tower Bridge, one of the most iconic landmarks in London. Today, we are going to take a closer look at this impressive structure, and learn more about its history and significance. Subscribe to my channel. Like, view, and share, and do not miss to press the bell icon. First off, Tower Bridge is not to be confused with London Bridge, which is a different bridge located nearby. Tower Bridge is a suspension bridge that crosses the River Thames and connects the boroughs of Tower Hamlets and Southwark. Construction of the bridge began in 1886 and took 8 years to complete. It was officially opened by the Prince and Princess of Wales in 1894, and has been an important part of London's skyline ever since. One of the most unique features of Tower Bridge is its distinctive design. The bridge is made up of 2 towers that are connected by a high-level walkway, which is open to the public. This walkway offers some of the best views of London, and is a great way to see the city from a new perspective. Inside the bridge, there's also a fascinating exhibition that explores the history and engineering behind the structure. You can learn more about the construction of the bridge and its role in London's transportation system throughout the years. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of Tower Bridge is watching it in action. When large ships need to pass through the River Thames, the bridge's bascules, or giant arms, are raised to let the vessels through. This happens several times a day, and is a sight not to be missed. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also take a tour of the bridge's engine rooms, which contain the original steam engines that were used to power the bascules. These rooms offer a unique glimpse into the inner workings of the bridge and its impressive engineering. In addition to its engineering marvels, Tower Bridge is also a popular venue for events and functions. You can even book a private tour of the bridge, complete with champagne and canapes, for a truly memorable experience. So there you have it, a closer look at Tower Bridge in London. From its unique design to its fascinating history and engineering, this iconic landmark is a must-visit for anyone exploring the city. London Bridge, one of the most famous bridges in the world. Today, we are going to explore why this bridge is so well known, and what makes it an iconic landmark of London. First, it's important to note that London Bridge is not to be confused with Tower Bridge, which is another famous bridge located nearby. While Tower Bridge is known for its distinctive design and engineering marvels, London Bridge is famous for its long and storied history. The first London Bridge was built by the Romans in 50 AD, and was made of wood. Since then, the bridge has been rebuilt and repaired numerous times, with the current structure dating back to the 1970s. The bridge has played a significant role in London's transportation system, and has been a key crossing point of the River Thames for centuries. But perhaps the biggest reason why London Bridge is so famous is its association with the popular nursery rhyme "London Bridge is falling down." The origins of the rhyme are unclear, but it has been sung by children around the world for generations. Some believe that the rhyme refers to the bridge's frequent collapse and need for repair, while others think it has more sinister origins related to human sacrifice. Despite its association with the nursery rhyme, London Bridge has also played a significant role in history. During the Middle Ages, the bridge was lined with houses and shops, which created a thriving community, and helped London become one of the largest cities in Europe. It was also the site of several major battles, and was a key crossing point during World War II. Subscribe to my channel. Like, view, and share, and do not miss to press the bell icon. Today, London Bridge is a popular tourist destination, and is home to several attractions, including the Shard, one of the tallest buildings in Europe. The bridge is also a popular place to take in views of the city and the River Thames, with several walkways and viewing platforms available to the public. So there you have it, a brief overview of why London Bridge is famous. From its rich history to its association with a popular nursery rhyme, this iconic landmark has captured the imaginations of people around the world for centuries. Tourists visit London Bridge for several reasons, including historical significance. London Bridge has a rich history that dates back to the Roman era. Over the centuries, it has played a significant role in London's transportation system, and has been a key crossing point of the River Thames. It has also been the site of several major battles, and has witnessed significant events in London's history. Iconic landmarks. London Bridge is home to several iconic landmarks, including the Shard, one of the tallest buildings in Europe. The bridge is also a popular place to take in views of the city and the River Thames, with several walkways and viewing platforms available to the public. Cultural significance. London Bridge is associated with the popular nursery rhyme London Bridge is Falling Down, which has been sung by children around the world for generations. It has also been featured in several movies, TV shows, and works of literature. Shopping and dining. The area around London Bridge is home to several shops, restaurants, and bars, making it a popular destination for tourists looking for a bit of retail therapy or a bite to eat. Easy access to other attractions. London Bridge is located in close proximity to several other popular tourist attractions, including the Tower of London, the Tate Modern, and the Globe Theatre. This makes it an ideal starting point for a day of sightseeing in London. Overall, tourists visit London Bridge because it offers a unique combination of history, culture, and modern attractions, making it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the city. If you ever visited Tower Bridge London, then share with us your experience in our comments section. Subscribe to my channel. Like, view, and share, and do not miss to press the bell icon.